To Yardstyle live.
Let's have something to say about the money pull up. It basically bonus money when you work overtime, you know. It's simple as that, you know. 'Cause if you work at a company and you do overtime, you're going to get paid for the overtime work where you do. When a selector get money pull up, because him go extra hard on the juggling, or the MC where intro the song, go extra hard, it make the people and feel comfortable.
Okay.
So, me not look upon it as money pull up. It is added incentive.
Added incentive.
Yeah, it's like them just give you a little
But
extra
like,
something.
all right, so we got we want to change that word, you know, from money pull up to added incentive.
You want me to know?
They me like that. They don't like the added incentive.
Yeah, it's added
So
incentive.
when me ask now, when the added incentive forwarding, oh go, you bust it up. You share it up.
Man. Yeah, man.
We don't know about nobody
Yes,
else,
you know.
about
That's why me
about
ask.
team.
That's why me ask. I see. Listen. Me see. Hold on, me see. Man get the added incentive, and that's how it go. Yeah, man. Next song.
No, probably not gonna share up that stuff.
Probably not gonna share.
No, after the party done, man, jump it.
Same way.
Eh?
Yeah.
Added incentive gone.
The only
Hold on, the added incentive gone up a price, man. Yo, me up a price, man.
Wagwan, you're tuned to Yardstyle live.